Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need the latest iOS and enough battery or charger connected. Once set, open Settings and go straight to App Store or iPhone storage. You'll see Offload Unused apps and a list of offloaded items. Tap the toggle to disable automatic offloading, then review the app list to find which apps were offloaded. This first step stops future automatic removals. Make sure you understand that disabled offload prevents iOS reclaiming app space automatically. Once done disabling automatic offload, focus on restoring needed apps. Go to iPhone storage, tap an offloaded app entry to view document size and the Reinstall App button. Press Reinstall App to download the binary while keeping documents and settings intact. If the download stalls, switch to Wi-Fi and try again. If that still fails, open the App Store, search the app and download manually. Make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID. To complete the process, open each reinstalled app and confirm it launches and retains settings. Once satisfied, manage storage by deleting large media rather than app data. If an app won't reinstall, restart your iPhone, reconnect to Wi-Fi, and ensure Apple ID is fully signed in. Then retry the reinstall. One key troubleshooting tip. If reinstall keeps failing, sign out of the App Store, reboot, sign back in, and then reinstall. This often clears authentication or download queue problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.